friends, happy new year. It is finally here, 2025, and boy am I excited to see what this year brings to us and what I create and what I share with you guys. But as you see by today's title and clicking on today's video, this video is a little bit different than the usual DIYs that I create for you, because we finally did it. I am just going to spit it right out. We bought our very first home. Yes, we finally got to buy our very first home, and I am super excited that I get to finally share that news with you all. Now, I am trying to keep this video really short and sweet. That is because throughout this time, it has been a roller coaster, a lot of ups, a lot of downs, and that was because a lot of stuff was going on at the same time that we were trying to prepare to buy a house. So I will try to explain my best, but trying to keep this really short and give you a nice view of the house that we have purchased, which I'm super excited about. But before we get started, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free. Usually on my channel, I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you through my DIYs that I do throughout the year, and I am super excited to finally do them in my new home. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click on that big thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel. And if we can possibly flood my comment sections with the house emoji down below, that would be deeply appreciated as well. Now, with all that being said, let's just jump right into it and let's see our very first home. Now, if you have been following my channel, you may know that recently we moved into our rental home not too long ago. At least that's how it feels. And it was great. I was super excited. I had so many ideas on how I wanted to make that rental home feel like home. But quickly we realized it was just getting pretty tight, especially with our growing family. That gave us a push to really look into buying our first home and seeing what options there were out for us, and we found one. So welcome to our new home. Now, this has to be a voiceover because it was very echoey. The house was completely empty, and yes, it is a new build. So when you first walk in, we are immediately in the living room. It is really bright with all of these big windows. We have this large one in the back, and we have one on the side, as you see here over to the right. We also have vinyl flooring, which is really durable, especially now that we have really big animals in our home, and we are just so happy and excited. Now, this is our little entryway. We do have a second story now where all of the bedrooms are, and right there is our coat closet. I do want to mention I don't open up every door and every cabinet. On this particular day, we were technically on a time crunch. There was a lot going on, but I just want to show you how big and spacious it looks. We have really tall ceilings. Once again, luxury vinyl flooring. I absolutely love it. And as you see here, we turn and the kitchen and the dining room is right behind us. I love it. We have been wanting an island for so long that we could put in little stools right there and have breakfast or do homework. And this area for our dining room is the perfect fit. Once again, we have really large windows and it brings in so much light. That is the back door to the backyard, which once again, I do not show because we were on a time crunch, but it's a decent size for us. As we turn around, here is our kitchen. In our last house, our kitchen was really large as well. It's just that we didn't have enough counter space and we didn't know exactly where to put our table. But now that everything has its own little section, we know where everything can fit and be well more organized in this house. Now, as you see back there, there is a little hallway. That door on to the left is the pantry. The one straight ahead is the garage. And there is a third door onto the right, which is our guest bathroom that I'm so happy that is on the first floor. I absolutely love our kitchen layout. As you see here, we have a microwave, a stove, and a refrigerator that came included that we are using very well. And we have granite countertops. Now, as you see here, I went so quickly. There is our bathroom. I really don't show in depth of it, but you get a sneak peek of it. Now, there will be upcoming videos of me decorating my home to make it into a home. If you are wanting to see more of those, please smash that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below. Here is the other view of the kitchen from the back corner, which is one of my favorites because you can see the living room and the dining room from the kitchen, and everyone can interact with each other while cooking or cleaning up. It's really one of my favorites. Now let's make our way upstairs to see the upper level of our home. I really love that we have stairs, and I love the way that they put the stairs in. We have a little privacy, yet we have a little spot if we ever want to take family photos. Our animals love running up and down them. I think it's super adorable. But as you see here, we turn around the corner and there is the upper level. That door right there is our laundry room, which I will show a little bit of. And there are about 15 stairs, and some days when I have to go up and down them about 5 to 10 times a day, you really feel it. However, I just absolutely love it. Now we do have carpet, which isn't my favorite, but it is brand new, so it does feel nice. Here is the second bathroom for my children that they share, and like I mentioned before, here is our laundry room. I have so many ideas on how I want to decorate it and to really bring it to life and make it more accessible to myself when I'm doing laundry, and it did include a new washer and dryer. Now we are going to turn over to the right. There are 2 bedrooms on this side of the house and a linen closet. I absolutely love the sizes of these rooms. They're really large, and each one has a nice size window. This one has a smaller closet, but nonetheless it works great. Once again, all of the rooms have carpet, which if you're a pet owner, you understand it is sometimes really hard to keep clean. However, it is brand new, so we absolutely love it. Here is the secondary bedroom, and once again, it has a large window, but this one has a bigger closet, and I'm pretty sure it will be used well. Now, as we turn around and walk down this little hallway, once again, there is a bathroom to the right, which is going to be used by my children. But as you see, the door that is open straight ahead, it is going to be my craft room slash office that I share with my spouse. But I am super ecstatic because I haven't had my own craft room before, and we get to have one now. Now, as you walk in, we have a small window to the right, but we have all of this wall space to work with. Now, I am super blessed because, once again, I never had a craft room before or an office. It's usually in our bedroom, and I absolutely hate that it cluttered our room. It already felt congested, so now that we have a space, I am super excited to decorate it how I want to. We do have a little closet that is super small, so I'm pretty sure this was meant to be an office, but I might convert that into my little sound room where I would do my voiceovers and some of my editing, because this window is facing a busy street. So sometimes that noise does get into the rooms and it's extra editing that I have to do. So I definitely want to get on that quickly so I can pump out some of these videos for you. Now that you've seen my craft room, the last room in this house we are going into is my primary bedroom that me and my spouse share, at least when they're not on my nerves. Am I right? So as we walk in, we have this huge room we are truly so grateful for. We have been renting out for years, and at one point in our life, the primary bedrooms, we always gave it to our children to share so they have a larger space for their toys and whatnot, and we normally got the smaller of the bedrooms, just a small sacrifice so that our family does feel like they never went without. But now that everyone has their own space and their own room, we are truly, truly grateful. We have a walk-in bathroom, as you see here over to the right, and a huge walk-in closet. Once again, I have so many plans to turn over my house and make it truly our home. And if you are up for that ride, please make sure that you are subscribed, like the video, share it, comment down below. All of that helps out this channel here, and I would love for you to come on this journey with me. Okay, friends, that completes our walkthrough of our brand new home. Once again, I am truly grateful that we finally reached this point in our life, and I am so grateful that I get to share it with you, my friends, and my virtual art family. Remember, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free, but don't forget to click on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. And trust me, there is a lot coming out this year for 2025, and I'm super excited to share it with you. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on today's video and spending this little bit of time with me to check out my new home. But I am super pumped to get ready to start crafting for 2025. If you can please like, comment, and share this video to at least one of your friends, that will truly help this video push further out, and I would truly deeply appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, I will see you in the next one.